You're now able to split orders in Traede. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the order that you would like to split, press Action, Split Order, and you will have an overview of the current order. From here you can detract full lines. So that could be, I only want to send out the wallets on the new order, so I'll detract the ones down here. I'm able to track full lines, not like single pieces, so it will have to be full lines, either all or none. When I have detracted the ones that I don't want on the new order, simply press Split, and the new order is created with the chosen items. This will be showed in my order list as well, in the top bar up here with the selection. I hope this can help you in day-to-day work with Traede. If questions, please reach out and we'll be glad to help.